A Coruña today we will have bad weather as you can see. It will be raining all day long. At the night it will be cold and foggy. It will be 10 degrees. In the afternoon it will be raining and cold. At night will be snowy and cold. The temperature will be lower. Tomorrow morning the temperature will be a bit higher. What's the weather like today in the afternoon in Pontevedra, Martín? It will be cold and cloudy. What about in the afternoon, Ainhoa?
It could be a heavy blizzard of snow, a boing going out. What's the weather like on Tuesday morning, Dario?
In the morning, it will be raining. Nico, what about in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, it will be raining and windy. Ari, what's the weather like on Wednesday in Pontevedra in the afternoon?
On Wednesday, it will be sunny and rainy day. In Lugo this morning, it will be foggy and windy. Hello, good morning. This afternoon, the temperature will be higher than this morning. Goodbye. Hello, tomorrow will be sunny with clouds. Good morning. The next day, we will have very bad weather and you can see snow on the mountains. The day after tomorrow, there will be a little chance of rain. Good morning. In Ourense, it will be cloudy in morning. In the afternoon, will be raining. In the town, the temperature will decrease, but it won't be raining. There will be possible snowstorm in the mountain. Tomorrow morning, we will notice north wind and we will be stormy. In the afternoon, it will be sunny and clear.